Hello friends, in this video we are dealing with the classes of enzymes. All known enzymes are classified into 6 main classes. Classes are further divided into subclasses and subclasses into sub-subclasses. The sub-subclasses are further categorized into sub-sub-subclasses based on the chronological discovery of enzymes. This forms the basis for 4-digit enzyme commission number for each enzymes. EC number is a numerical scheme for enzymes based on chemical reaction they catalyze. First is oxidoreductases. These are the enzymes which involve in oxidation reduction reactions, and therefore all enzymes associated with respiration and fermentation processes grouped in this class. It includes all dehydrogenases and oxidases, also include peroxidases. This main class is subdivided into 19 subclasses. Second is transperases. The enzymes under this class transfer chemical groups between substrates. Enzymes catalyze the transfer of methyl, formyl, carboxyl groups, aldehyde or keto groups, alkyl groups, nitrogenous groups, phosphorus and sulfur containing groups belongs to this class. For example, polymerases. Third is hydrolases, enzymes which cleave substrate using a water molecule is called hydrolases. Enzymes such as esterases, phosphatases, glycosidases are the example of this class. Fourth is liases. The enzymes cleave the substrate by not using a water molecule, generating double bonds are grouped in this class. This class include decarboxylases, aldolases, dehydratases, etc. Fifth is isomerases, enzymes which generate isomers and interconvert isomers by intramolecular rearrangements are known as isomerases. Enzymes such as racemases, epimerases, mutases are included in this class. Last is ligases. This class of enzymes ligates or joins two molecules together with concomitant breakdown of a nucleoside triphosphate or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. RNA and DNA ligases and carboxylases are the examples of this class. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.